Today we went fishing with my friend. The fish were much bigger than last time, but as usual, when we first arrived, we started by catching smaller ones. At the point, we even caught two fish at the same time. There were really a lot of fish. But then, during a beautiful sunset, two big fish showed up that we didn't expect.
Mrežica, mrežica, mrežica. Mreža, mreža. A nije. Mreža, mreža.
This one even weighed 250 grams.